Most people know Ricoh as a large printing and copying company. It is actually an organization that's global in nature, in every type of business you can imagine. When we first started Service Advantage, we were really thinking about the types of devices that we would be able to leverage our technical workforce with. Intelligent lockers and kiosk technologies is really the first of a number of different devices we were interested in. It became pretty clear that we had a workforce that was capable of a wide range of different types of services on these devices. And so from there we really expanded into robotics and point-of-sale systems and others. The pace of technology is really moving very, very rapidly, maybe more so than ever. And businesses are really challenged not only with keeping up with the pace of that technological growth, but ensuring that all of these new devices and new systems that are available are operational, are functioning as they're intended to function. So a challenge that many of our customers face is, while they can quickly proliferate their devices or their technologies into the field, they need to ensure that their consumers know how to use that technology. And that's really where Ricoh's capabilities come in.
We've had our own service technicians providing service on our own equipment for over 80 years. We now use those technicians to provide service on other people's equipment as well. So our technicians are highly skilled electromechanical technicians. Our skill sets of our technicians are a good fit for many of the technologies that we work on today.
We've been involved with CompTIA for many years. Having CompTIA certifications and a certified staff has given us credibility outside our core business. As Ricoh moves into increasingly more complex environments and our technicians work in more and more complex areas, it's important that they have a solid understanding of computer technology, of network technology, and of security.
Yeah, cybersecurity is extremely important to our customers, and it's an important piece of our portfolio as well. Our understanding of those environments, our ability to work inside of a cybersecurity paradigm, is critical to our customers because they're expecting that we're going to protect their information and ensure that their customers have that level of security.
Ricoh's been awarded the CompTIA Certified Team Award for the last 3 years. That means we've had at least 80% of our 4,100 plus technicians certified on at least one CompTIA certification. In our case, it's significantly more than 80%. And in many cases, our technicians hold multiple certifications.
CompTIA is like the unspoken rule in the IT world that, of the Holy Trinity, the A+, Net+, and Security+.
El 412 Richmond Road, en el primer piso.
It's very important to keep up with the new certifications. Knowledge is power. It's a cliche maybe, but that's the truth.
Just doing what you did yesterday is not necessarily going to get you through to tomorrow. And the CompTIA certified staff has just been key in Ricoh being able to adapt to new business opportunities.
So enabling the Service Advantage business requires a lot of people, a lot of partners, and certainly a lot of commitment and effort. We have that inside of our company, we have that with our customers who are trusting us, but we also have that with CompTIA, who's been a very important partner for us to enable this new business, and we look forward to continuing that partnership for a long time to come.